This is a nice little mare here. She's coming up to say hi. She got her family with her back here. When you are living among the horses, we're able to conduct continuous observational study in real time. This is an area right here where I am now. There's a little guy right there. Hey baby, this area was completely grassed in not too long ago. You can see the fuel's been managed quite well here by the horses. It's all neatly grazed down. It's also reseeded with dung. No, the horse dung is rich in seed because they don't digest it like a ruminant. Here's some stuff from earlier in the year right here, and you can see vegetative material, and if we look at this even closer under, let's say, a dissection microscope, we would observe quite a few seeds, and many of these seeds will germinate. This is really a nice little way to manage wildfire fuel and also enhance the ecosystem for other fauna which benefit from the grasses and the seeds, the deer and the birds, and of course even the pollinators all benefit from what these horses do. So this area is reseeded, and it's been made fire resilient, which protects these trees.